If you're an upcoming content creator, this video is very important. So make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimina, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video, that this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So I used to get this message from upcoming content creator, right, almost all the time. So I decided to address this, right? So according to this first person, this person said, please help me out. Then I say, how can I help? Then he said, I want to get monetized with any possible way you can, right? So let me read another one. According to this person said, good afternoon, sir. Please, how much will you use to help me monetize my Facebook page, including buying followers, right? So these are just few. There are a lot of people actually in my DM asking me to help them just get their Facebook page monetized. So a lot of content creators actually, most especially upcoming content creators, they have lost focus from the main thing they are supposed to focus on and started focusing on the things that they don't actually need, right? So if you want to be successful on Facebook or as a content creator generally, you don't need followers. Followers is not what will make you to be successful, right? And if you want to be successful, the likes and the comment are not the thing that will make you successful. The only one thing you need is high quality content that when you post this content, somebody can actually sit down and watch the video from beginning to the end. Content that is not boring. That's what you need. You don't need followers, because when you get this content will now bring followers. A lot of you actually want to buy followers. They just want to create a page today, buy followers, and get monetized. And when you create a page today, you buy followers, eventually Facebook monetize you, right? You are going to suffer, because let me say you are already monetized and you bought followers. Those followers you bought, they don't know you. They are not there to view your videos, right? How are you now going to make money? You know, you are rushing to get monetized and start making money. At the end of the day, you will still not make the money because nobody is there to view your video. So instead of you now to create a Facebook page and focus on creating content, high quality content, your main aim is for you to just sharply get monetized. It doesn't work that way. So I'm addressing this because a lot of people actually make this mistake. What they do is just they create account and start buying followers. It doesn't work like that. You need to exercise patience, build your audience, create content. The only thing you need is content. The only thing you need is content. You don't even need followers, because that content, that high quality content you're posting, right, is what is going to bring the followers. Understand? Those people watching that content, if they love the content, they will follow you and be waiting for another one that you publish tomorrow, right? So if you're an upcoming content creator, the only thing you need is for you to start creating high quality content and stay consistent. Keep on posting every day. You might not be getting the like, don't mind. That like is not what will make you to go viral. You might not be getting the views, don't mind them. Just keep posting. You know, one day one of your video, it will go viral, and when that video goes viral, it will bring a lot of like, it will bring a lot of comment and a lot of followers, and then you have now created a kind of community for yourself, right? So when those people are there now, they are waiting for another content you will make. So before you know it, they will start viewing your new content, and some of them will even go back and start viewing those ones that you be posting that you think that people are not liking and not commenting, right? So you should focus on creating content. Stop buying followers. You go just start today, you want to buy followers. Stop it. It doesn't work that way. Most people that bought followers and got monetized, they are suffering because they are not earning. Some of them have been there for 1 year and they've not made even $1. So you should focus more on creating content. That's the only thing you need for you to be successful. Create content. If what you are doing is boring, is something that people don't like, you can actually try do another thing, right? I didn't start from teaching, right? I was actually doing something before I started teaching, and I'm still doing other things. If you are doing something and it's not working for you, then try and do another thing that will work. And most important thing, do things that you love doing, so that you'll be able to stay consistent. Because if you are doing something because another person is doing it, you might struggle in that field. But if you are doing something you love doing, you know, even without the money, you still keep on doing it. Like me, I love teaching. So even without Facebook, I will go on YouTube and teach. Understand? Even without YouTube and everything, if I see people, I love teaching them, right? So that's my thing. So I love teaching, right? So do something that you know that you are good at. Just stay consistent. So this is where I'm going to be bringing this video to an end, right? So thank you guys for watching my video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing, right? And if you're new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.